everyone, I'm Karen from Charming Bird Creations, and today I'm going to be making this summer grapevine wreath using this bike that I got from Hobby Lobby. I've got an 18-inch grapevine wreath base. I've got some florals and greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby in the at-home store. To make my bow, I'm going to be using 1.5-inch wired ribbon that I have in greens and blues. And I also have 2.5-inch wired ribbon as well. Some other supplies that you're going to need are hot glue. You're going to need some zip ties, some wire cutters, and some scissors. And if you have any questions about anything that I do today, please leave me a comment below and I will answer it as soon as possible. You can also follow Charming Bird Creations on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And the item that I am making today will be available for sale in my Etsy store, and I will put all of the links below in the comments, as well as the supplies list for everything that I used today. And if you like this video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and get started.